The 2009 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT. This is an extended cab pickup truck with a 6.5-foot bed, powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine. With a 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, this vehicle, with fewer than 65,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 19 miles per gallon. This Chevrolet features traction control, towing package, and tilt wheel. Safety features include OnStar, StabiliTrak, and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include power door locks, XM radio, and Bluetooth wireless. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.